How to fix Windows laptop overheating problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can fix Windows laptop overheating problem. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step that you'll need to take here is open up your settings. So locate your MyRat its control panel, open up your control panel, simply search for it and hit enter, and there you go. Now make sure that the view by option is set at large icons, and after you've done that, there you should see power options. Head over to power options, and you should be able to see the power option tab here. What you need to do is you will need to change the plan settings. So tap on change plan settings and you should be on this section right here. After you're here, you'll need to tap on change advanced power settings. So you'll see it right here. Tap on that and this power option tab should open up. Right here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to see different options here. What you'll need to do is expand on this processor power management. You'll see maximum and minimum processor state. Open that up and under maximum processor state, change both of these to below 100. So I've set it at 90. You can just simply tap on it and change it from 100 to 90 as well. After you've done that, you can then simply go ahead and check out other stuffs as well. So you can see the background settings, you can see the steep option, PCI Express, and display and battery. So here you can see the battery option. You can see if you need the battery notifications or not and other stuff. So after you've done that, you might only have balanced option here. Finally, tap on apply after you've made the changes, then tap on OK. Now, that's the first thing that you might need to do. After you've done that, what you'll also need to be sure is that your laptop has been serviced in, it has been serviced occasionally or regularly. Just make sure it's been serviced because sometimes when your laptop is not serviced, it tends to get overheated after some time. And that's how you fix the issue. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.